All right, welcome back, Pokemon fans. We're going to be doing, this is what I'm super excited about, is the Pokemon Go special edition cards here. So, got a good lineup here today. So we're going to get right into it here. First thing we're going to open up, so we're going to do the Alolan Exeggutor V pack. Again, I am excited for this set. Get a good look at this here. So in here we're going to get our Alolan Exeggutor V, we're going to get the Jumbo card, and we're going to get 4 packs. Kind of neat, it sticks with the theme of the Pokemon Go there. Yeah, I'll put that over here. Alright. This card out of here. Put that to the side. Alright, so there it is. There's the Alolan Exeggutor V. Looks like a really good card there. So we're gonna throw that in a sleeve there. And go from there. Like I said, this is a set that I've been waiting for a while, and when I heard they were doing this, I was super excited for it. So again, we'll start with that. The big card. Oh, hello. Oh. Oh. Unlocks rewards in Pokemon Go, the game. That's cool. Big card. Alright, and we get the 4 packs. 10 cards. Now, I haven't done one of these yet, so I'm not too sure if the card trick works the same way or if it's going to be different. So we shall see. I think I'll still do the 4 to the back, I believe. Let's see if I'm right or wrong here. All right, here we go. All right, Fighting Energy, Unfezant, Rare Candy, Camerupt, Slowpoke, Ambipom. Ooh, Larvitar, there's one of my favorite Pokemon. Ambipom. Spinarak. Oh, there we go. We got a reverse holo Snorlax. That's pretty cool. And we got a holographic Golisopod. Alright. Now, I know there's the hidden Ditto cards in here, and I wasn't really paying attention. They're usually tucked away in the corner here. You'll see the Ditto symbols, so nothing of the sort yet for that. Okay. Alright, so got our Grass Energy, Wartortle, nice. Unfezant. We got the Lure module, pretty neat. Natu. We got Ambipom. Larvitar again, can't go wrong with Larvitar. Alolan Raticate. Oh look, the Alolan Rattata, there you go. Ah, reverse holo Blissey, nice. I like that, it looks like it's in the gym there from Pokemon. And we have, ew, the holographic Sylveon, nice. There's a nice card there. I'm gonna put that one in a sleeve. This is a big fan of the Eevee evolution, so this is pretty nice. Alright, so we've got the Psychic Energy, Spark, Ariados, nice. Oh, Steelix. There's some pretty neat looking cards too. They all look really good. Pikachu, nice. Squirtle, that's a neat art design there. I really like that. Bibarel with the Smeargle crashing the party there. Photobombing. Alolan Rattata. Numel. We got the reverse holo rare candy, and we have, oh, holographic Pikachu. Nice. That's a nice card there. It's got the hat and everything. Pretty nice card. Because this is a completely new set for me here, so this is really exciting getting to open up these. Again, we got I'd say a decent haul to open up today, so I'll try to go a little bit quick. All right, we got the Fire Energy. We got Wartortle again. We've got a Slowbro, Lunatone, Onix, nice. Oh, we got Charmander, nice. Bidoof, Wimpod, Pidove, oh, reverse holo Lonertata, and oh boy, there's my favorite Pokemon. We have a holographic Tyranitar. Right on. That is a nice card. Boy, I can't go wrong with that. Again, that is a favorite of mine, by far the favorite Pokemon of mine. Again, I wasn't paying attention to see if there's any Ditto cards in there, but I didn't think I seen any. Let's just do a quick one. I know I didn't check in the last one, but nope. I will go through later and see if we missed any. So that's out of the Alolan Executor V box. So that was pretty good, actually. I am super happy that I got the Tyranitar, because again, that is my favorite Pokemon, as I've mentioned this before. So now we're going to do the Special Collection Team Instinct box. Now, I do play Pokemon Go, and this is the team that I went with. So in here, we're going to get 6 booster packs. That's pretty cool there. We're going to get the Special Edition pin and the Special Edition Full Art Spark. So, pretty excited for this one as well. Okay. Okay, right on. So there is the Full Art Spark card. So that's pretty cool. Really neat. All right. Again, in Pokemon Go play Team Instinct, so that's pretty neat to them. Yeah, I picked this one over the other ones, but I'll probably pick up the other two anyways eventually. But the nice pin, it's actually pretty nice. You get Larvitar, you can hold on to that for me there, buddy. Alright, so obviously chase cards are going to be the Mewtwo as far as I know. Radiant Pokemon, as in the Radiant Charizard and Blastoise and Venusaur. Whoops, screwed that up. But anyways, hello. There's Blanche in Full Art. Oh, I think I put one too many there. All right, so there we go. We got Blanche Full Art. So that's a good pull. That's a good one there. So we might as well keep going here and see what else we got. I'm gonna put that straight into the pack there. Rainbow Blanche, nice. All right. Steel Energy. We got Lunatone. We got Slowbro. Candela. We got Apon. Magikarp right on. Meltan. Bibarel. Onix. And then the reverse holo Natu. I think I put 5 cards by accident. This is an error pack. Let's all count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blanche was 11. So we just pulled an error pack there. That's the first time I think I've done that. So see if Ditto is hiding in here as well. Nope. Well, that's pretty cool. I've never Never had my hands on an air pack like that, so that's pretty awesome. Yeah, full rainbow art Blanche. Nice. Yeah, let me know, obviously we're doing Pokemon Go here, so let me know if you guys all play Pokemon Go and which teams you are and what you find the most exciting about playing Pokemon Go. For me, it was getting out and actually doing something to, you know, walk around, play Pokemon Go, enjoy the time with the family playing it. So again, that's why I really enjoyed it, and it's just neat catching all the Pokemon. So we have Psychic Energy. Pupitar, there we go. Charmeleon, nice. We got Lure Module. We got Onix. We got Pidove. Another Magikarp. Bidoof. Meltan. Oh, we got Reverse Holo Candela. And we have the holographic Blissey. There we go. Nice, there we go. So we'll take a good look at the Blissey here. Again, I think that's pretty neat. It's in the gym there by the looks of it, so that is pretty neat. All right, so we got the Fire Energy. We've got Xatu, Steelix. We've got Ariados. We've got a Bidoof. We've got Squirtle. Bulbasaur, nice. Pidove. Wimpod. We've got the Reverse Holo Ambipom, and we've got a holographic Gyarados. Right on. Look at that. That's pretty neat. It's a nice looking card, that's for sure. Right on, that's pretty good. Pretty happy we get this card. Oh, look at that. We've got a funny cut there, actually. I don't know if everyone can see, but look at the cut on the bottom of the corner there. It's not cut real great. There we go. Actually, the Blissey's the same one, too. Different. That's interesting. This is, maybe we've got an error box in general, because we had the Blanche there, which is 11th card. And now the two funny cut corners there for those. That's pretty neat, though. That's another thing, too. Let me know experiences for you guys for error packs, because like I said, I've really never had error packs until right now. Alright, so we've got the Dark Energy. We got Xatu. We got Steelix. We've got Blanche. Ambipom. Natu. Larvitar. Tranquill. We've got the Alolan Raticate. We've got a Reverse Holo Eevee. Nice. And we've got the Mewtwo V. There's our first really good hit here. The Mewtwo V, that is definitely a nice card here. Again, Mewtwo is also a favorite of mine, so this is pretty neat to get this. It's a neat looking card there. That is a very nice card. Check for Ditto quick. Oh. Just looking at these cards already, I am pretty happy with these cards right now. Alright, so we've got the Water Energy, Unpheasant, Pokestop, ooh, an Ivysaur, Tranquill, Alolan Raticate, we've got Numel, Eevee, Charmander, oh, we've got Reverse Holo Pupitar, nice, and we have another Tyranitar Holo, right on. That's pretty good. This really makes me happy now. Two Holo Tyranitars. Oh man, it's like it knows today. And again with the kind of funny corner there. Ooh, Tyranitar's today. Check for Ditto quick. Nope. So far, we've got the evolutions for all the Gen starters, Gen 1 starters. That's interesting. Oh. We'll get a V-Star out of there. Didn't realize that they still had them in there. I thought maybe this was just a Brilliant Stars thing, but all right, that's different. All right, so we got Ariados, we got Spark, we got the Chansey, Numel, Bulbasaur, Napalm, and what I was getting at is that we have the Charmander, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Wartortle, Ivysaur, and Wartortle, so looking for the Blastoise and Venusaur and Charizard, obviously. We got Eevee, we've got a Reverse Holo Numel, and we've got a Holo Zapdos. Nice, right on. The poster boy for Team Instinct. Put you over there. All right, so that was that for the Team Instinct box. We're going to move on to the Radiant Eevee collection. So we're going to get 8 packs in here. We get the Radiant Eevee card, and we get the Eevee pin. So this is pretty neat again. This box here. All right. We do have 2 of these, so we're going to be opening up 2. I think I'm going to move some of these for now. We'll do a recap after here again at the end of the video here. But for now, I'm just going to move these all off to the side for now. All right. Okay. Oh, there's a ooh. Oh. That's very nice. Okay. Looks like we got a. That is a matte, just like my Gengar one, but this one is a little. Whoa. Oh man, oh. Nice, look at that. All right on. This is pretty awesome. It's the nice Radiant Eevee, so shiny Eevee, that's, wow. That was unexpected. I honestly did not realize that was in there. I guess I probably misread that, but that is pretty awesome. So just quickly put that thing over there, the nice new mat there. So that's really impressive, actually. I'm really happy with that. All right. Now this is a pretty sharp card here, but like look at the detail and everything here. Like it's borderline rainbow art. It looks very, very, very close to being rainbow art, but it's not. But just a very nice looking card. This is why I went with 2 of these, just because I'd like to have 2. Again, really like the look of these. All right, and the Eevee pin, of course. Larvitar, you can be friends with Eevee as well. Again, big fan of the Eevee evolutions. My favorite is Umbreon. Post in the comments there which is your favorite. I'm a old school Gen 1, 2 guy. So my favorites are Umbreon and Espeon and Jolteon, Flareon and Vaporeon. Those are my favorites, but Umbreon by far is hands down my favorite. All right, Lightning Energy. We got Pupitar, Camerupt, Candela, Wimpod, Larvitar, Numel. We got Bulbasaur, Onix. Ooh, reverse holo Articuno. Nice. And we got a holographic Lapras. Right on. It's a nice looking card there. Checking for Ditto. Nope, no Ditto. I'm gonna put Lapras in a sleeve here. All right. Again, I really like the design of these packs. They are really neat. All right, so we've got Fire Energy. We got Chansey. We got Spark. Ariados. We got Barrow. Pikachu. Spinarak. Alolan Rattata. We got Bidoof. We got a reverse holo. Oh boy, we got a reverse holo Magikarp. And obviously we have a Melmetal V. Nice. Looks sharp. This card looks really good. Good pull here again. It's one Pokemon Go I don't have yet is Melmetal V. You need a lot of candies to evolve your Meltan into it. So, still working on that. Alright, we've got the Fighting Energy. We got Lunatone, Pokestop, Unpheasant. We've got Magikarp. We've got Onix. We got the Eevee, Numel, Alolan Raticate, Reverse Holo Pikachu, and we've got the Holographic Snorlax. We've got the Reverse Holo, now we've got the holographic version of him. Alright, we've got Fire Energy, Ariados, we've got Blanche, Steelix, Onix, we've got Eevee, we've got Charmander, Aipom, Bulbasaur, Reverse Holo Larvitar, and we have a, ooh, the Slacking V, nice. There you go, Slacking V has been pulled here, so again, nice nice pull there. We've got 2 V cards out of this so far. Again, I am gonna go check through all the cards later to make sure I didn't miss if there was a Ditto card or not. We'll go from there. Alright, so we've got Fighting Energy, we've got Candela, Slowbro, Pupitar, Pidove, Magikarp, Meltan, Eevee, Pikachu, Reverse Holo Aipom, and oh, there we go, we got Charizard. Nice. First Charizard pulled in quite a long time here, so this is pretty nice. Pretty cool there with the Pokemon Go symbol with it there, and the kind of more realistic animation with the buildings there. And very nice card. So we pulled Charizard, so we've got a full set there of Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard. So still looking for the Radiant Charizard. That would be a nice card to have. I'll check through all those later for Ditto. Oops, there's another V card. All right, so there's Charmeleon, Lure Module, Ariados, Aipom. We got Charmander. We've got Eevee, Numel, Alolan Raticate. Holy smokes, there we go, Radiant Blastoise. What is behind Radiant Blastoise? Oh, holy, look at this pack. Mewtwo, V-Star, and the Radiant Blastoise. Well now, well now. That is amazing. I love it. So let's get Mr. Radiant Blastoise into a card sleeve here. Just what a nice looking card there. That's impressive. I love it. All right, and Mewtwo V-Star. Here we go. Well, that is in the words of some of my favorite Pokemon card pullers, those are some God packs here. Wow. God tier packs. All right. Well, there we go. Let's see if we can beat that somehow. This is also why I started to get into opening Pokemon cards again, and now doing this like for YouTube here is you always tell you'd say to someone, hey, I pulled this. No, you didn't. Well, at least it's on camera, so now you can say, hey, yes, I did get this. And it does make me happy because it's a lot of the original Gen 1, so that's what I grew up on. So we have Fire Energy, Lure Module. We got Charmeleon, Pupitar, Slowpoke, Onix, Charmander, Bidoof, Wimpod. We got a reverse Holo Blastoise. That's pretty cool. And we have Pikachu holographic. All right. Okay. Definitely going to put Blastoise in because it's one of my favorites. And we'll get this Pikachu in a sleeve as well. All right, last pack from the first Radiant Eevee box. Another V-Star card. All right, so we've got Ivysaur, Chansey, Lunatone, Wimpod, Pidove. There's Bulbasaur, Squirtle. I really like the design of that Squirtle. That's a neat. Bidoof, Reverse Holo Numel, and oh, we have the gold full art egg incubator. Nice pull here. Look at nice gold card. Wow. Looks just like your Pokemon Go. How many eggs you want to hatch? As many as you can. That is pretty awesome. All right, so now we're going to get the second box here in a second. Okay, so we're going to go through some of these cards. And, well, all right, random. So, Numel is Ditto. So we'll just quickly go through some of these again here. See if there's any Dittos. Dittos. This is really exciting. No, no, no. Okay. All right, so let's see if we can do this here. So I think right here, maybe. Oh, here we go. Yep. All right. And you go like this. And there's a Ditto. That's so neat. Oh, that is pretty cool. Wow. I'm gonna put this somewhere else. All right, so Ditto. Wow. There we go. There's the mat again. I'm going to leave this wrapped up because I feel like I'm going to do a giveaway. And this will probably be included, so we will not open this. Again, the really nice Eevee card. Just neat to look at too. This one really shines. Okay, second Eevee pin, so again, I'll hold on to that, but it'll probably end up being in a giveaway. So then after this we have the Elite Trainer box, and then that is it for the Pokemon Go openings for now. Again, I'll probably try to get some more because I am very intrigued by this set and was extremely excited when they announced it. So I do love playing Pokemon Go a lot. I will say though, in 100% honesty, not overly thrilled with this year's Pokemon Go Fest. I thought it was pretty weak. Again, leave comments on what you thought, but I thought it really wasn't great compared to last year's or the year before. So, Grass Energy, Lure Module, Camerupt, Blanche, Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu, Ambipom, Slowpoke, Reverse Holo Charmeleon, pretty cool. And we've got the holographic Articuno this time, so that's pretty neat. So we got the holographic Articuno and Zapdos. Where are you hiding, Moltres? Alright, so we've got Lightning Energy, Lure Module, Pupitar, Chansey, Onix, you've got Vivero, Meltan, good old Magikarp, Apom. Oh, we got Radiant Venusaur. Is this going to be another interesting pack here? Because got Radiant Venusaur and we have the holographic Blastoise. Well, now. That's really nice here to get. Okay, so that is 2 Radiant cards here. Radiant Blastoise and the Radiant Venusaur. Wow. All right. Well, that's another good pack pull here. Again, Blastoise, one of my personal favorites, as Squirtle was my first starter and when I ever started Pokemon. So to get anything Squirtle Blastoise related is pretty special. So that's pretty nice. And to get the Radiant Venusaur as well, like, wow, I feel pretty lucky here right now. Now there is the full art Mewtwo card I would love to get. I believe it's from the commercial of Pokemon Go where everyone joins up to battle Mewtwo. It just looks great. Fighting Energy, Charmeleon, Pupitar, Chansey, Apom, Bulbasaur, Pidove, Magikarp, Onix, Reverse Holo Natu. Ooh, we got the holographic Melmetal. That's a pretty neat card. It looks really good. Okay. I'm gonna do a better job of looking to see if dittos pop up as I'm pulling cards, not going back and looking at the last second, but we'll see how well that plays out. Alright, so we've got the Fire Energy, Wartortle, Solrock, I don't think we've seen that yet, Charmeleon, Wimpod, Pidove, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, Bidoof, Reverse Holo Pupitar, and we have the holographic Golisopod. Cool. Didn't see a ditto in there. Okay, so we've got Fire Energy, Camerupt, Egg Incubator, Wartortle, Tranquil, there's Bulbasaur, Natu, Ambipom, Slowpoke, Reverse Holo Lapras, and we got the holographic Pikachu again. I think that's the fourth one I've pulled today. Pikachu just likes to come out and say hi now. So again, yeah, just hit the like button here. Hopefully, you know, you're stopping in here and having a good time here. Again, just let me know if anything needs to change. Again, still pretty new, so bear with me here, and we'll get some better videos going. And like I said, we'll try to get some giveaways going here and have some more fun. We got Pikachu. We've got the Reverse Holo Sylveon, and we've got a, oh, there, look, there's the Moltres holographic. Found it. So now we got the Legendary Bird Trio. Moltres, Articuno, and Zapdos. Right on. Okay, Lightning Energy. We got Spark, Ariados, Steelix, Eevee, Numel, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, Larvitar, Reverse Holo Ambipom, and we've got regular holographic Venusaur right on. So far to this box, we got the Radiant Venusaur and regular Venusaur. So now we've got each evolution as well. We've got the Venusaur, the Charizard, and the Blastoise, all holo. We're just missing now a Radiant Charizard, and we'll have all the Radiant cards for those three. Which would be pretty awesome. Alright, we got Grass Energy, Pokestop, Steelix, Xatu, Aipom, there's Bulbasaur, and Pidove, there's little Magikarp, Meltan, we got a Reverse Holo Ivysaur, and we have the holographic Sylveon again. Alright, so that was that for that box. Again, I'm just going to rip through here and see if we have any dittos, if I've missed any. I was really trying to pay attention there. I think I was doing a good job. I'm going to declare I did a good job here. Yep, we're good. All right. All right, so now we have the Elite Trainer box. Good old Mewtwo. So in here, we're going to get 10 booster packs, 1 foil promo card featuring Mewtwo V. We're going to get 65 sleeves, 45 energy cards, player's guide to the Pokemon Go expansion, 6 damage countered dice, competition legal flip coin, 2 acrylic condition markers, an acrylic V-Star marker, and a collector's box to hold everything, obviously. So usual suspects in the trainer box here. Should have brought something to use to kind of cut it here, but Zapdos will bail me out here. All right. Okay, let's get the sleeve off. Ooh. You can see on the inside here, it looks pretty neat. If you wanted to reverse flip it, looks pretty neat in there. It's like the pack. Okay. It's got the player's guide. Yeah, looks pretty good. All right, that's really nice. It's like holographic kind of style there. Shiny, it's nice. Okay. All right, there's the Mewtwo V from here. Okay, I'm going to leave that over to the side for now, or I'll put this, actually, I'll put that right here. It's still nicely sealed here. Oh, nice. The Mewtwo sleeve protectors. These are really nice. I'm digging these a lot. All right. Just put on the side. Some dividers. Promo code, we got all the energy cards as usual. Got our V-Star. Got the dice. Oh, there goes a dice. Actually, I just noticed something on this dice. It looks pretty sharp. It's kind of got some glitter in it, and it says go there. Assuming that's the one, which it is. That's pretty neat. I like that. It's a nice touch. All right, and we've got 10 packs here. Get another nice box add to the collection. We got Water Energy, got a rare candy, Slowbro, Lunatone, there's Bulbasaur, my boy Squirtle, Bidoof, Onix, Barrel getting photobombed. We got a reverse holo Pokestop, and we've got a holographic Moltres again there. Didn't see a ditto. Alright, so we've got the Dark Energy, Steelix, Zapdos, Slowbro, Spinarak, Alolan Rattata, Wimpod. There's Pikachu, reverse holo Moltres this time, and the holographic Pikachu again. Alright. Gonna have a bunch of holographic Pikachus. Alright, so we've got the Grass Energy, Pokestop, Steelix, Zapdos, Alolan Rattata, Spinarak. There's Pikachu again, Wimpod, Pidove, reverse holo Pidove, and another Charizard. Right on. Just need the Radiant Charizard to make an appearance here. That would be very nice. And a V-Star card. We've got Ivysaur. We've got Spark, Chansey, Bulbasaur, Natu, Ambipom, Slowpoke. We've got Larvitar. We've got a reverse holo Venusaur, and we've got a Melmetal V. Melmetal V. Nice. We've got the full art version, and now we've got the regular version of him as well. Again, hopefully everyone's enjoying the video here. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We've got Lightning Energy, Charmeleon, Pupitar, Wartortle, Eevee, Natu, Ambipom, Alolan Raticate, Larvitar, reverse holo Chansey, and a holographic Goldspeed. Golisopod. We got Fighting Energy, Rare Candy, Wartortle, Candela, Charmander, Eevee, Numel, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil. We've got a reverse holo Tyranitar, and we've got the holographic Melmetal. Interesting, reverse holo Tyranitar, right on. We've got Fire Energy, we've got Chansey, Solrock, Ariados, Apom, Meltan. There's my boy Squirtle, Tranquil, Charmander. We've got the reverse holo Spark, and we've got a holographic Blastoise again. Right on. We've got Psychic Energy, Solrock, Egg Incubator, Charmeleon, Onix, Bibarel, Meltan, the good old Magikarp, Apom, reverse holo Magikarp, and another holographic Venusaur. Last two packs here. Let's see if we can get some couple last pack magics. So far, the trainer box isn't holding up to the other ones. We've got the Metal Energy, Flash, Ivysaur, Egg Incubator, Onix, Bibarel, Slowpoke, Bidoof, good old Magikarp, reverse holo Lurmodge. Ooh, Dragonite V-Star. I spoke too soon, I guess. Right on. That is a nice card. There's Dragonite. Okay. And last pack. Like I said, let's hope for some last pack magic here and see if we can get another one of the chase cards or that Radiant Charizard. Would be fantastic, so I can have all three of the Charizard, Venusaur, and the Blastoise. So we've got Water Energy, Camerupt, Zapdos, Blanche, Wimpod. We got Pidove. There's Bulbasaur. There's my boy Squirtle, Bidoof, Reverse Holo Slowpoke, and a holographic Lapras to finish the night. So I would say this was a pretty successful Pokemon Go opening. A couple error packs, or a error pack, and then some kind of funny cut cards, which I've never come across yet in the entire time I've been doing Pokemon card openings again. It was pretty neat pulling a few of my favorite cards there. We did get a Ditto card. I'm pretty sure that's the only one I am going to go through and make sure again. And if I did get any more, I will let everyone know in the next video. It'll probably be another Pokemon Go opening. Those Eevee boxes are seemingly, apparently, the good ones here. So I'll probably try to grab another Eevee box, and then we'll have some more mats to give away eventually. So, but again, thank you very much for stopping in. So we got the Mewtwo V from this box, from the Elite box. Then we got the Mewtwo V-Star. Pretty pumped about that. We got the Radiant Blastoise, super pumped about that. We got a Charizard. We got a Slacking V. Melmetal V. We got the Gold Egg Incubator. A Radiant Eevee from the box. That is the Reverse Holo Blastoise. The Executor V from the box as well. Zapdos. 2 holographic Tyrantars, because, well, they're my favorite, and why not? We got the Spark Special Edition one. We got the Error Blanche card. Again, that was pretty wild. Holographic Blissey. The Gyarados. We got a Mewtwo V. The Venusaur Holo. Moltres. Blastoise Holo. Radiant Venusaur. Holographic Articuno. The Radiant Eevee again. 2 boxes. The Ditto. Super happy. Then the Dragonite V-Star. Melmetal V. And another Charizard. So again, thank you very much everyone for stopping on my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it again. Hit that like button and subscribe. And happy Pokemon hunting to all. And we will see you on the next video.